Hi, is this Instinct?
Sorry?
Is this Instinct?
Yes, it is.
Hi, yes. Hi, I was looking to get a haircut. Hello?
Hello, yes?
I was looking to get a haircut.
You need to call the barber shop. This is the beautician shop.
Oh,
I could give you the number if you like.
yes, I'll take that in a minute. Do you do the old, the full body wax?
Yes, I do.
How much is it for the back, sack and crack?
I don't know because we haven't done that here, so,
You do not do it then?
I could ask one of the other girls to give you a quote.
Could you please?
1 second. Hello, can I help you?
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I just inquired about the back, sack and crack wax.
Well, there isn't one. I can probably recommend a men's salon that will do it for you.
A man doing it for me?
No, a salon that specialises in men's grooming.
Oh, well, the woman I spoke to just a moment ago, she said someone in there would possibly be able to help me.
Well, I don't do it, and none of the therapists that I work with do it. I mean, we can do back.
All right, but not the sack and the crack.
The area that is a no-no here, so...
Well, is it against the law?
No, it isn't against the law.
Oh.
But it's down to the discretion of the therapist, really, so...
Could you tell me, do you know what kind of price range I'm looking at?
Well, I can only go on women's. Women's range from...
Do you do women's back, sack and cracks?
Well, we do women's, like bikini line area.
I have a bikini line.
Yeah, I know you have a bikini line, but...
So couldn't we just pretend I'm a woman?
No,
You can call me Barbara.
we can't do that.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can recommend a men's salon, but I think it'd probably be about from 25 upwards
But I
in pounds.
don't really want a man touching my sack or my crack.
Well, it may be a woman, I don't know.
Okay.
You'd have to sort of inquire.
All right.
But we don't do that here.
That's a shame. A lot of business.
Pardon?
There'd be a lot of business.
Well, you're the first person to inquire, so...
Why, how long have you been open?
We've been open about... I think it's about nearly 2 years.
And I'm the first person to ever phone up and ask for this.
Yeah.
Do I get a prize?
Pardon?
Do I get a prize?
A price?
A prize?
Do you get a... Sorry, I can't hear you.
A prize?
What, for ringing up and asking?
I should get 20% off, 50% off?
No. No, we don't do that.
Are you sure?
You are the first person to ring up and ask for that.
So I should be treated special?
Well, perhaps, but not having that treatment.
Okay then.
Alright,
It was lovely to inquire with you anyway. What is your name, by the way?
it's Vicky.
Vicky. Okay, Vicky.
Alright,
Lovely to speak to you.
that's okay.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Alright then, bye-bye.
And I'd like to take you out for a drink.
Bye.
No?